Hey guys, today we'll be making a quick and easy Ruffle Deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a wreath ring. It already has the chenille stems attached. And then I have 10-inch long deco mesh. I have 2 rolls of the striped deco mesh and 2 of the solid hot pink. Use whatever colors or styles you choose. I also have scissors and a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'd like to do is raise all of my chenille stems. It just makes the process so much faster once I start to place the deco mesh. Alright, and I have cut the deco mesh into 12-inch long pieces, and for each bundle I'm going to use 2 pieces of the solid hot pink mesh and 2 pieces of the striped mesh. So I'm going to take the first piece of my striped mesh and I'm going to overlap the hot pink mesh about halfway through, just like this. But if you choose, you can lie one directly on top of the other. Doing it this way gives you a fluffier and fuller wreath. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing with the other solid piece, and then I'm just going to do it one more time with the striped piece. So it's going right, left, and then I'm going to scrunch right in the center, just like that. So you see this bundle is nice and full and fluffy, and it looks much larger, but I'm still using the same amount of mesh. Then I'm going to place it in my stem, twist it a couple of times, and tuck away the stem. And I'm going to go ahead and tuck the stems away because I'm not going to add anything else. But if you want to add anything else like ribbon or more mesh, then you can definitely do so. Now I'm just going to flare up the mesh just to make it even prettier and fluffier. Just like that. And that's only one bundle. So I'm going to do the same thing again. I start with my solid piece and I'm alternating. First I started with the stripe, but this time I'm going to start with the solid. Overlay the stripe halfway, and then go back to the other side with the stripe again. And then finish up with the hot pink piece on the other side. And then once again, I'm going to scrunch right in the center, just like that. And then place it in the next chenille stem. Twist it, and then tuck it away. And then again, you can fluff up and flare out your mesh a little bit more. So I'm going to repeat this step for all of my stems. I believe I have 15 or 16 stems. So I'm going to do this with all of my stems and show you what it's looking like. Alright, so I have all of the bundles in place. It looks so cute and fluffy, and it's so simple and easy to make. You can modify the colors, the styles. Like I said, you can add in ribbon or any other type of embellishments you'd like. But I've just fluffed it up, and I've separated all of the mesh just to make sure it's extra poofy, and it looks so cute, precious, and perfect for summer. Depending on the color deco mesh you use, you can make this style of wreath for any season. So cute and simple to do.